friends, welcome to NiftyHMS. Today we're going to see how a doctor can actually change their consulting hours or set their schedule in NiftyHMS system. Please subscribe to our channel. Let's go and see how it works. So as a doctor, once you log in, this is how the dashboard will look like to you. You will see the patient status vaccination. From the left menu, click on appointments, go to schedule setup. In schedule setup, you will see Monday to Saturday and Sunday the timings. Over here you can define multiple time slots, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Also the location is there, so you can also, so if you have multiple location practice, you can also select the timings, consulting hours based on the locations. So you would set the consulting hours based on location that's available through our system. If you want to have 2 or 3 time slot in a day, you can click on plus icon, or you can copy to all days, and the whole time slot that you set for Monday will be copied to rest of the days. So the copy to all days feature is also important. It could be useful. If you have entered a wrong time slot, you can also click on delete button, or if you want to add one more time slot, you can add just by clicking plus icon. You can add a new time slots. So we are on Monday, we are going to, we are adding a couple of more time slots over here. So this is how it works. You can also delete, as I mentioned. So click on delete icon and can delete. If you have set up a wrong time slot, you can delete it. Once you are done, you can also save appointment time. Saturday, Sunday, if you are not working, you can just uncheck those two boxes. By unchecking, you will define the Saturday and Sunday you are not working. So now we have just save it. So appointment time has been added successfully. Thanks for watching the video today. Thank you.